How do I look?
Gorgeous.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, flatten it. Get a circle, dust with flour, dust off excess flour, put it in front of you. Left hand holds the pastry on your 4 fingertips, thumb holding the pastry on top. Right hand simply rolls it just below the center. Round and round, round and round. Move the pastry anti-clockwise and keep rolling it with your right hand just below the center. Now, ideally, this should be about 8 centimeters. I shall get a ruler and give it to you. Okay. Take a good heaping teaspoon of your filling, and now we start pleating. You ready, ladies? Can you see? Okay. Bring the tips together, pinch. Stay away from the filling, because if you press on the filling, it's going to start to ooze out. Just stay on the edge of the pastry, and you are going to be pleating just one of the flaps, the front flaps here. Go in with your index finger, pleat, pinch. Pleat towards the center and pinch. Pleat towards the center and pinch. Same thing on this side. Pleat towards the center, pinch. Pleat towards the center, pinch. Pleat towards the center, pinch. I have done 6 pleats here.